We've been remote this whole year, but in planning out the spring and anticipating like, okay, we might be able to have students out. What's a project that all of us can work on? That's not only something to look forward to, but something that also creates a lasting addition to our horticulture program at the school. We'll essentially have afternoon activity hubs that students can sign up for and participate in. So for our horticulture class, I'm offering our raised bed garden project as one of the activity hubs. For the horticulture hub, students will be participating in all different points of this garden project that we're working on. So we've come together in our horticulture classes, and students are in different committees. So we've got a builders committee, we've got a designers committee, a planners committee, and something we've called the seekers committee, who are thinking about making the garden space as inclusive as possible. Builders are thinking about raised bed construction, designers are thinking about planning out the landscape design for the perennial beds, and planners are thinking about what crops to plant in the garden beds. So this is the first time that the horticulture students have planned out a raised bed garden, let alone implementing it. So far we have the incredible greenhouse and some perennial beds on the outside of the greenhouse. But yeah, this will be the first sort of growing the horticulture space into more of a planting things outside and watching them grow and participating in more of the agriculture process.